Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit packing slips in Shopify. So simply to do this, what you have to do, just you can see the setting option is here. Just click here. Now go to shipping and delivery. Now go down and check the packing slip template. Simply click here. Now here you can see edit packing slip template available. So simply you can see all the codes are available here. So if you want to change, you can change it according to your need. So after when you successfully edit the packing slips, so after this, yeah, you can see on the right side there is a save option. So just you have to first preview template before save the packing slips. So here you can see our preview slip is available here. So in this way you can easily edit packing slips in Shopify.